Hi, good morning. Today's trade idea relates to WEC, which announced an acquisition this morning of TEG. It's a mixture of a cash and stock deal. Because there is a large stock component in the deal, similar to the MDT transaction last week, there should be a play on the short side in WEC. We saw what happened with MDT on its first day. After the deal was announced, the risk arb funds came in and they just hammered that stock down from 64 all the way down to 58 at one point. And we saw over the next few days it recovered nicely. But on that first day, with the selling pressure and the risk arbs putting on their positions, there was a really nice short opportunity. Unfortunately, so far there hasn't been a ton of volume in the pre-market, so we're most likely going to have to wait and see what happens on the open, but this is kind of what I'm looking for. If we take a look at the chart here, and I'll even go to, well, let's just say it's printing in the mid 45s right now. What I had been hoping for, and I was offering closer to this 46, which would give me a lot of leeway for a move on the open, for a move down to possibly 44.5, maybe even lower. The idea is to set this trade up, the risk arb funds have to get short the acquirer, which is WEC, and get long the acquisition, and that creates that short-term sell pressure. And we use recent support prices as target areas. If we step back out to the daily on WEC, what we can see is, if we go out a little bit further, if they really hammer this thing, and again in the pre-market right now it's about 45.5, if they really hammer it and go down into the support area back from March, we're looking at a move all the way down to 43.5, as low as 42.80. And if that were to happen, I'd actually flip back to the long side. But the key for this one will be watching on the open that first 15-20 minutes how aggressive those risk arb funds are, and then take it from there. Good luck.